GEA DairyBarn B3130 Flexible Cubicle, a major step forward for your cow's comfort and freedom of movement. The B3130 Flexible Cubicle from GEA combines flexibility, safety, and guidance. The cubicle has flexible divisions that bend when a cow comes in contact with it. The neck rail is flexible and there are no fixed horizontal pipes where cows can get stuck. The cubicle division, the brisket board, and the support post guide the cow in the optimal lying position and keep the cubicle clean. Flexible division are made of high-density polypropylene. Special GEA clamps connect the divisions with the support post. A curved and robust support post that offers plenty of room to move around. A flexible neck bar moves upwards and prevents the cows from being injured. A PVC brisket board positions the cow in an optimal lying position. A wide front opening allows cows to move more naturally. The result is that after milking and feeding, cows will lie down easily without added stress. The division bends when the cow touches it, and even with every breath they take, the result is no more pressure points. The cubicle offers freedom, yet guidance for movement and promotes a calm environment inside the barn. Promote your herd's comfort and help increase your productivity with the GEA DairyBarn B3130.